Butterworld Bakeshop, with their commissary and branches located all over Tarlac, Pampanga, and Pangasinan provinces, partnered with one of the biggest convenience store in the Philippines to supply their hotdog buns. With the high-quality ingredients that we use in making breads for our clients, we decided to come up with a better business solution by creating our breads with less human intervention. That is why we invested on baking machines from Vesmach. Our Sottoriva machine provides us with the consistent quality and accurate output by measuring and dividing the dough into the right size and weight. It can produce with a whopping number of 6,000 pieces per hour. With the help of the Sottoriva Hi-Line, our dough passes through this intermediate proofer to line up and get ready to be molded into a hot dog shaped bun. The Sottoriva machine is very durable and easy to use. Vesmach provided us with the initial assistance and guidance. That is why we are more than satisfied with its after-sales support. This is very important to us because we can proudly say to our clients that we make our quality breads with less human intervention.